Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me for the very last Pootles Advent Countdown project for 2021. Now, I have done 24. Number 25 is a little bonus for you, and we are only a few days away from Christmas, and actually this is my last video coming out to you before Christmas because Friday is Christmas Eve, and I have got my traditional look back over on my blog on Friday. That's coming out to you. But this is a miniaturised version of the cracker that I shared with you a few weeks ago in Pootles Advent Countdown. And somebody recently asked me if I could do a 6x6 version. Now, I appreciate I'm not leaving a great amount of time, but, you know, why not? And the one that I did back then was using a piece of paper that was 8x8.5 because I put actual score lines into that. This time around, I'm going to show you a 6x6 just on our regular core colour paper, mostly because I haven't got any little bits of paper left, and also a 12x12 version. So quite simple. What you need to do is you need to fold. I need a plainer piece of paper than that. Okay, we'll just run with it. So you fold your paper over, not in half, because you need to leave an adhesive strip panel. So I'm going to fold that there. I'll just use my bone folder to give it a nice crisp burnish. Okay, then you fold this part over to meet up with this one, not with the edge, not with this edge, but with this edge along here, and you just fold it over like so. And again, use that to burnish. Now, while I've got it all folded up, I'm going to fold my gluey edge, that's what I'm going to call it, over like that. Okay, and you can just give it a bit of burnish in all directions, just so that you've got a nice crisp bit. And what I'm left with is score lines, if I tip it this way round, that will fold up, and there's my glue tab. Okay, that's how you do it. So let me get that burnished up again. And then the same in this direction. This is you're not problematic, but you want to be folding the same amount over. So you could do it with a ruler, you could simply eyeball it, which is exactly what I'm doing. Just like that, and about the same amount the other end. That looks pretty even to me. Okay, and then you just go back and forth on yourself, like so. Okay, so there's my folded bits. Fold it over, get a really strong pair of scissors. Is that a good strong pair? No, my other big ones are better. And we're going to cut from about there to about there. So you're not cutting from corner to middle, it's offset. And you can see there's an edge left there and a centre bit there. Come round, do the same over here. And when you unfold it all, that's what you're left with. Now, funny story as I glue all of this together. The point I'm filming this, which is about 4 days before you're seeing this video, I, a very proud and traditional Brit, suddenly realised I don't have any Christmas crackers. No! Every year I always buy them in the sales, and they live in my loft and drive my husband batty for a year. But then I don't have to think about it come Christmas time because, you know, I've already got them. I'm just holding this glue in place. Possibly forgot last year. Possibly don't have any crackers because I thought, don't need to buy them. I always buy crackers. I've always got loads of crackers. Haven't got a cracker in the house. Not a single one. am I gonna do? Oh, I hope the supermarkets have got some left. Okay, right. Let's get some ribbon on here. Seriously, you know, I'm like a stick of rock. Cut me in half and it says Sam loves Christmas straight through the middle of me. You know, I'm the person who's got 5 full-size trees in her house, fully decorated. You know, Christmas crackers are just, you know, we have so many crackers. We have them on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Crackers are my thing. Haven't got a single one. And I could make them, but they're going to have a snap in them. Right, so that's one end done. That's where you would fill your goodies, put them in here. And this is quite a big cracker. This is not going on the Christmas table. So I'm going to tie up that end. And then I'm going to show you how to make the mini version, which is done exactly the same way. But because it's a smaller piece of paper, you really do have to give it oomph when you're burnishing. So, yeah. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, I will have bought crackers. I do have display crackers. I've got 3 boxes of display crackers, but they're not to be touched. Actually, technically, I've got 4. So that's a big version, okay? The big one. And then the little one, you do it in exactly the same way. And I've just pulled out some cherry cobbler because, you know, although crackers are very much seen as a Christmas thing for us Brits, I actually think they would make nice things all year round. So I'm just folding over to get my little gluey tab going. So there's my 4 score lines. Okay, and I'm just going to reinforce them all. And then fold it all back up again. This is where you have to really give it some oomph. I heard not that long ago, fascinating fact, apparently you can only fold a sheet of paper in half or into pieces 9 times. You can only fold, you can only fold a sheet of paper 9 times, no matter how big it is. And that's something to do with the depth of, I suppose, the quantity of card that's in that area. But yeah, when you've got a small amount of paper, but you're trying to pack it into a little area, it becomes quite stiff. So there we go, we'll unroll all of that. I can get some glue on here. Little tiny dab along there. So yeah, you could make crackers all year round and have them themed differently. I have got in a drawer, in my inspiration drawer, I want to wait for this glue to dry. I don't know if it's handy. No, I can't get it. I've got a little packet of crackers that have got bath salts in them and I can't see them anywhere. So that should be dry now. And then this requires thin ribbon or twine. So I've got this thin ribbon and it's grey granite. And yeah, you could do these as wedding favours, baby shower. Baby showers are becoming quite the thing here in the UK. Yeah, you could do baby shower, wedding favours, bridal showers. Again, they're becoming a thing. It was hen parties in my day. And you just change the paper to suit. And then pop your goodies in there. I like this ribbon. I like that it's thin. I'm not really sure why I haven't used it very much. So this is 6x6 and so's that one. And it's longer and was that 6x6 or was that 4x4? Oh, it was 4x4. That's even smaller. 6x6, 4x4, 12x12. And obviously you decorate as much as you want and, you know, sort your ribbons out better than I have. But yeah, you could make them for any and all occasions. Obviously, you know, Christmas, British, crackers with explosives inside because, you know, that's what we do. But yeah, change them to your event, your theme, whatever you fancy. So there's my crackers for you. They might be going on my Christmas table if I haven't found any. But I will take this moment to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And I will see you, I will be back on video the other side of Christmas, obviously, as usual. But yeah, just to wish you a very, very happy Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful time with your family. And yeah, if you're not with somebody this Christmas or you're at home alone or you're in isolation, just drop me a message. I will be online. I will be around somewhere. Just pop a message to me and I'll wish you a happy Christmas back. Take care. Love to all of you. Bye.